In this video, we will be learning about 5 verbs with present continuous tense. Hello and welcome back to Hindustani Tongue. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will be learning about verbs. Last video, we have discussed the greetings and learned formal, informal and casual way of greeting. In this video, I will be covering 5 verbs with present continuous tense. First, to eat, খাওয়া. I am eating. আমি খাচ্ছি. You are eating. তুমি খাচ্ছো. Either formal, আপনি খাচ্ছেন. Casual, তুই খাচ্ছিস. Second one, to sleep, ঘুমানো. I am sleeping. আমি ঘুমাচ্ছি. You are sleeping. তুমি ঘুমাচ্ছো. Either আপনি ঘুমাচ্ছেন. Casual, তুই ঘুমাচ্ছিস. To walk, হাঁটা. I am walking. আমি হাঁটছি. You are walking. Formal, তুমি হাঁটছো. Either আপনি হাঁটছেন. Casual, তুই হাঁটছিস. Fourth, to sing, গাওয়া. I am singing. আমি গান গাইছি. You are singing. Formal, তুমি গান গাইছো. Either আপনি গান গাইছেন. Casual, তুই গান গাইছিস. To write, লেখা. I am writing. আমি লিখছি. You are writing. Formal, তুমি লিখছো. Either আপনি লিখছেন. Casual, তুই লিখছিস. So these are the 5 tenses for today. 5 verbs for today in present continuous tense. Next video we will be covering more 5 verbs with present continuous tense. If you missed the last introduction video of greetings, I will put that link in the description. Please go and check it out. If you are interested in learning another languages, do not miss to follow our website and book a free trial class of that. Namaste.